Hello everyone, here's Andre and I would like to share with you unboxing experience of the new Netatmo indoor smart camera advance. You see that already from the very beginning as I'm unboxing the camera you can see that it's very small, very decent, and I'm very curious how this will work out with our interior system. And I will also like to show you how we compare the size with the current Presence Netatmo camera. There is a quite long cable. We will put it most likely to the wardrobe so we will not get distracted. Just let me open the box. And here it is. It's very decent. You can see how it looks compared to the existing Netatmo Presence camera, and it's very small. You can see it's much smaller compared to the Presence. So I will now try to turn it on, make some tests, and we will see how it works.